It's now time to set up your free websites for your Zero to Riches free cash system. First off, you will need to go to www.synthasite.com. This is the free website builder that we will be using to set up your websites. Once you're on the page, you will need to create a free account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now for one of our group members. And click on Start Building. Alright, first we need to add a name to your website, and the name that you will be using is Zero to Riches. Alright, and the type is website, and it's already selected, so click Next. Then we'll need to choose a design for your website, and the one that I have chosen is on page number 5, I believe. Yep, it is on page 5, and the style's name is Numerology. So once you've selected that, click OK. Alright, we're now in the Synthasite editor, and the first thing you'll need to do is to get rid of this page heading right here. We don't need this one here. So to do that, simply click on the Properties tab on the right side, and under Page Heading, we'll highlight whatever is in there and press Delete, and then press Enter to see the changes. Now we'll have to upload our banner. Okay, we're gonna have to change our banner right here. Now you should have received a file from your sponsor, and that file contains the picture that we will be using as a banner for your website. So to change the banner, simply click this one here, and we'll need to upload that image. Click on Browse and simply upload it from wherever you save that picture. Okay, I saved mine down here. And click OK. And we'll wait for it to upload. It may take some time, so please be patient. And there it is. Once you see your file there, click OK. And it should pop up very soon. There it is. Okay, so before we continue, we will also need to open up my website, because most of the work that we will be doing is simply copying and pasting the contents from my website to yours. Okay, so we'll go ahead and open up a new tab here and go to my website. It's www.freecashgiveaway.info. So the first part that we will be copying and pasting is this headline here, all the way down to the bottom of the testimonials, excluding the videos. We'll do the videos later. Okay, so we'll go ahead and copy and paste that. Simply click on the corner right here and hold your mouse down and drag it diagonally and then downwards, all the way to the bottom of the testimonials. There it is. So you can copy that, jump back to the Synthasite editor, and before we can paste it in here, we'll need to add a text widget. Alright, so to do that, go to Content, click on the Content tab, and it should be right here. It's called Text Widget. We'll need to drag it and drop it right inside here. Alright, and we'll wait for it to load. There you go. And you can then click inside that box and paste the content that we just copied, and there it is. So go back to my website, and the next part is the video testimonial. As you can see, there are two columns here. There's one on the left and one on the right. Now to do that, go to your Synthasite editor, and we will need to add a two-column layout widget, and it's just right here. we'll need to drag it again and drop it right below here. There are two ways of copying the embed code of a video. The quicker way is by placing your mouse over this arrow right below the video, and there should be a pop-up box that appears. You will then need to click on that pop-up box and then click inside the embed code box and copy the code as fast as you can. Now if you're using a PC, the normal way of copying things is by right-clicking and selecting copy. In this case, a faster way of copying the embed code is by pressing down your control button plus the letter C from your keyboard. So Control C for PC users. If you're a Mac user, you simply press down the command button, which has the Apple symbol, plus the letter C. So Command C for Mac users. So we'll try that now. Place your mouse over this arrow, click on the pop-up box, click inside the embed code box, and copy the code right away. Alright, so that's the quicker way of copying the code. If you're having difficulty, the second way of copying the code is by opening the YouTube page of the video. To open the YouTube page of the video, you will need to double click on this play button. Alright, and it should open up the YouTube page. And first off, you need to click on the pause button because you don't need to watch a video anymore. And you'll be able to see the embed code right below the URL box of the YouTube page. And it's right on the top right hand corner. Alright, you will then need to click inside the embed code box and copy the entire code. And there you go. That's the second way of copying the code. Alright, now once you've copied the embed code, you will then need to go back to your synthesize editor, and first we'll need to add an HTML widget on the left side of the column. Before we paste the embed code of the video, we will need to enter an HTML code for centering because we want to center the videos. And the HTML code for centering is the following. You just need to copy this one. Alright. So here's the code for centering. And once you have this one typed out, you'll then need to click anywhere in between and paste the embed code. Now lastly, we'll need to change the width and the height of the video. The width is 350. Just make sure that you're changing the numbers in between the quotation marks. Alright, so width is 350 and the height is 300 for the video testimonials. And make sure that you're also changing the size at the beginning of this code. Otherwise, you will not see the changes. Okay, so again, the width is 350. The height is 300. And click OK. And you're done. And we'll just need to do the same thing for the video testimonial on the right column. Go back to my website and we'll need to copy the embed code one more time for this particular video. Go back to your synthesize editor, add an HTML widget, enter the HTML center code, and paste the embed code right in the middle. Then we'll need to change the width to 350 and the height to 300. So again, that's 350 by 300 for the video testimonials. Then click OK.